Man, what if? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Eventually, like, not eventually. A bad thing is that my predictions about they didn't go the way I planned. But what I can say, ukuthi like, hanyiwa kuphethwe my guy today. It's tough today, yabo. Kuphethwe, what a beauty, like, isn't as a Kosi fan, yabo, it is one of like the best weekends ever. And tomorrow, masiqeda ukushaya iStellenbosch, yabo. That is when very izinto vele, yabo. Ezobe sezinto vele, yabo. I don't even know what I'm saying, but I'm just saying whatever I'm saying. Yeah. So, Orlando Pirates 0, Skokuna United 1. What do I think about the game? So today, okay, let me be honest. After like Skokuna scored, I didn't focus at all. Okay, I was just like smiling. Yeah, but so I just need to work on that about focus. Ngibheke ukuthi kwenzakalani kwi-game and stuff. But yeah, I don't wanna lie, it was a beautiful match. Rather than like being like came in about Santa was just like boring about this one. The tempo, my guy, the tempo. Because like the way like Paris it was there. You see, if you watched it came very last week, yeah, and Orlando Pirates against Pulwane City. Like the tempo, it was like high, like the intensity, everything, it was just like mad. But as well yabo time vele Vite yabo kule game le but time vele Vite it didn't even like became even more than 10 minutes or 5 minutes, but like Skokuna just started to play with Orlando Pirates pound to pound. And Skokuna vele yabo recently vele yabo the way like they've been performing and stuff nanani mawubheka like amanto ama records and everything, you see, bengiyinto bengis-undermine and stuff, and I was like, nah, it is like the reason for that is because I was into like watching Skokuna. Today it is the first time I actually like watch Skokuna vele ukuthi like idlala kanjani without ukuthi maybe mhlambe like idlala against my team Khosi. Alright, because yabo when like I'm watching my when kudlala like team yami yabo like i-perspective yami I'll focus more on my team. Angeke nginake vele ngithi ukuthi yenzani yabo, but like today I don't wanna lie, they are something else because like because the way Orlando Pirates plays, my guy, like into space yabo, like spacing and stuff and the way like they rotate the ball, that feel is so quick. Abantu aba ne pitch bayenza ukuthi like ibe like so small and stuff, like ama-players they are distance yabo ayikho like huge and stuff yabo. So they were just like playing beautiful ball, the Orlando Pirates. But shout out to Skokuna for like managing that. And yeah, I'm a happy man right now. And okay, I don't know. Okay, we like I'll do better this time. I'll do better. I feel like I need to stop being biased singing don't play level game, but like I'm kind of develop that skill as like time goes on. And then yeah, another thing I notice available on this Coconut site is that guy Uban Matsila or whoever the right back of Skokone, which is the guy I'll give like man of the match. Really, that player is just like some, I would say just some parts like today. I haven't like seen him that much, but like he level today, but it was like good because imagine he was blocking uba noHotho and like Urila, but it was just like I want to be manager available, which is like mad because he so that I believe it is the strongest side available. Sepagania and he managed well, and then Mlinda Mtambo was something else. Tabang Monari, he was good. Also, like he's cooking like it was like good well in the middle, but I can't take away also like the Pirates because like there's also that guy Master Chef. Like it becomes like obvious the way like I call Umchito gifted. It's like everything. I'm just gonna Okay, let me just shut up. I give my man of the match to that guy. I'm a happy soul, and I hope tomorrow Kosi wins. And yeah, I'll do better next time. Danko. Wathi khuphuka Nabi uyohlala lapho ku number 1. Ayi ngicabanga le